What is the true essence of clairvoyance? Well, true clairvoyance is not simply seeing beyond the physical. It is more than just seeing ghosts and other spiritual entities. It is the magical and mystical art of perceiving the invisible truths that shape our reality. You are surrounded by energies, principles, and laws that govern existence, yet they remain unseen until you awaken. The universal laws are the keys, and your will, right here, is the force that will turn the keys that will open the door of the universe. It is important to study, train with sincerity in your heart, as well as patience and discipline, and eventually the world will reveal its hidden beauty and boundless wisdom to you. Hello, I am Fredo, your guide to proper development of your spiritual senses. Take care and please follow me for more.